Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo laptop. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement LCD cover ready to install. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, carefully remove the battery if your model allows it. This will provide additional safety during the process. Now, locate the screws securing the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the screws carefully. Keep them in a container to avoid losing any during the repair. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Begin at one corner and work your way around, ensuring you don't force it open to avoid damaging the clips. If you find it challenging to open, double-check for any missed screws. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean dust and debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help improve the overall performance and cooling efficiency of your device. Now, locate the LCD cover, which is usually attached by a few screws and adhesive. Again, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws holding the LCD cover in place. Be gentle while doing this, as the components can be fragile. If you don't have the right tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to assist you. After removing the screws, carefully detach the LCD cover from the frame. If it's stuck, you may need to apply a bit of heat using a heat gun or hairdryer to soften the adhesive. This will make it easier to remove without causing damage. Once the old cover is off, take your new LCD cover and align it properly with the frame. Press it into place gently, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure the new cover by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Remember, do not over-tighten, as this can lead to cracks or damage. After securing the new cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws in the back panel, ensuring everything is tightly secured. If you find it too cumbersome, don't forget, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, reinsert the battery if removed, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check to ensure everything is functioning properly. This concludes our guide on replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo laptop. If you encounter any issues, remember that you can always reach out for a quote before repair to ensure you have the best options available for your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.